Hey, my name is Coco. Welcome to the Minchip channel. I'm so happy you're here. Let's learn how to add. There are lots of strategies we can use to add. Today, we will use the strategy called counting on. If you want to solve with me, ask your grown-up to download and print my worksheet. You can find it in the description below. When we count on to add, it is best to start with the larger number. So, first we will identify the larger number. Let's see, 2 fish and 5 fish. Which number is larger? 2 or 5? Yes, 5 is larger because 5 fish is more than 2 fish. Let's try another. 7 cats and 4 cats. Which number is larger? 7 or 4? That's right. 7 is larger because 7 cats is more than 4 cats. Let's try another. 6 mice and 10 mice. Which number is larger? 6 or 10? That's right. 10 is larger because 10 mice is more than 6 mice. You got it! Great job identifying the larger number. I think you're ready to learn our addition strategy. Counting on. When we use this strategy, we have to identify the larger number and hold that number in our head. 5 cupcakes and 2 cones. How many treats in all? I have to solve the addition equation. 5 plus 2 equals. I am going to use the count on to add strategy, so I have to identify the larger number. Which is larger, 5 or 2? That's right, 5 is larger than 2. Since 5 is larger, I have to hold the number 5 in my head. Now I just have to count on 2 more treats to find the total. 5, 6, 7. The total is 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7.
I have a question.
Oh, Trooper, what is it?
Why don't we find the total this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7.
You could solve it that way, but you wouldn't be using the counting on strategy, would you? You would just be counting.
I think I understand now. We count on from the largest number because counting on is more efficient or faster than counting all.
Yes, we don't have to count 5 cupcakes because the question tells us there are 5 right here. So we just hold the number 5 in our head so we can count on from there. 5, 6, 7. The total is 7.
I definitely want to use the counting on strategy.
It may not seem like a big deal now, but when you begin adding with a very large number, counting on from the larger number will be much more efficient than starting with the smaller number or counting all. Let's try another. 8 red pens and 2 black pens. How many pens in all? I have to solve the equation 8 plus 2 equals. This box represents 8 red pens. Mathematicians are efficient. It's more efficient to draw a box and label it with an 8 than it is to draw every single red pen. To use the count on to add strategy, first I have to identify which number is larger, 8 or 2. Yes, 8 is larger than 2. Next, I must hold the number 8 in my head so I can count on from there. Let's count on to add. 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pens. 8 plus 2 equals 10. The total is 10. I have one more problem for you to complete by yourself. 6 apples and 3 bananas. How many fruits in all? Count on to add to solve the equation. 6 plus 3 equals. You can have your grown-up take a video of you solving it and send it to me through the contact page on my website, www.mintchipteacher.com. Trooper and I would love to see how you think when using the strategy, counting on.